Guys, how are you? I hope every friend well. I'm well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will make a new video. Let's start. I would like to say something about my future plan. Everybody has a future plan, and so do I. My future plan is to join foreign service and be a diplomat. I'm also very much interested about other cultures. The reason of my choosing this that I choose this because I want to know about other countries and people. Also, I can travel to different parts of the world. If I can join the foreign service, I can make a reasonable career. In addition to, I can make a good living since being a government job, it's a very secure. In order to do that, I need to pass the BCS exam. By becoming a diplomat, I can represent my country abroad and protect her interest. Also, I can convince my foreign companies to invest in my country. I can serve my fellow countrymen who are living abroad. Thanks for having patience.